2018 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, rear window defroster, power door locks, compass. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.